Good morning students. Let us start our today's class. In our last class, we have ended our discussion with electric energy. Now what is electric energy? It is equivalent to the work done by a source of electricity to maintain a current in an electric circuit. So whatever work is done, that is equivalent to the electric energy consumed in the circuit. And the mathematical expression of electric energy, E is equals to VIT. Today we will start our discussion with electric power. In class 9 we have learnt power is the rate of work done, where work done is equals to force into displacement. But today we will discuss about electric power. So what is electric power? Electric power is defined as the amount of electric energy consumed in a circuit per unit time. And if W be the amount of electric energy consumed in a circuit in T seconds, then the electric power is given by P equals to W by T. Since W is equal to electric energy, that is equals to VIT, therefore P equals to VIT by T. Here we can cancel out TT, so P is equals to VI. So what is the mathematical expression power? P equals to V into I, that is potential drop applied across the circuit into current flowing through it. Now we will discuss some other forms of electric power. First formula, P equals to VI, what we have already discussed. When either V or I or both V and I change, we will use this formula. Now according to Ohm's law, V equals to IR. Just substitute the value of V. What we will get? P equals to I square into R. When current is constant in the electric circuit, then we can use this formula. Ohm's law also can be written as I equals to V by R. Now just substitute the value of I in equation 2. We will get P equals to V square by R. When potential difference V is constant in the electric circuit, then we can use this formula. Next we will discuss the units of power. Now SI unit of power is watt. And we know P equals to VI. Therefore 1 watt is equals to volt into 1 ampere. Now we will discuss definition of watt. What is 1 watt? Electric power is said to be 1 watt if 1 ampere current flows through a circuit having 1 volt potential difference. Next, some bigger units of power is kilowatt, megawatt, gigawatt, where 1 kilowatt is equals to 10 to the power 3 watt, 1 megawatt equals to 10 to the power 6 watt, and 1 gigawatt equals to 10 to the power 9 watt. Now what is the practical unit of power? Practical unit of power is horsepower, and 1 horsepower is equals to 746 watt. This relation is very important. You have to remember this relation. Now what is the relationship between electric energy and electric power? Now see, we know electric energy E is equals to VIT and electric power P equals to V into I. Now just comparing these two equations, we can write electric energy E equals to electric power P into time. So E equals to P into T. Next, we will discuss the commercial unit of electric energy. See, in our last class, I have discussed about electric energy, but I did not mention the unit of electric energy. we all know that the unit of energy is joule. But in electricity, we will express the unit of electric energy in terms of electric power. So E is equals to PT. Using this formula, we can say SI unit of electric energy is watt hour. But commercial unit of electric energy is kilowatt hour. And 1 unit current means actually 1 kilowatt hour. In our daily life, we use this term 1 unit current. Here 1 unit current means 1 kilowatt hour, which is equals to 1000 watt hour. So 1 kilowatt hour is the amount of electric energy consumed by 1000 watt electric appliance when it operates for 1 hour. And kilowatt hour is also known as Board of Trade Unit or BOT. Next, we will discuss the relation between kilowatt hour and joule. Now 1 kilowatt hour is equals to 1000 watt hour, and 1 watt is equals to 1 joule per second, and 1 hour means 3600 seconds. Therefore 1 kilowatt hour is equals to 1000 joule per second into 3600 second. Therefore 1 kilowatt hour is equals to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. Now this much is for today's class. In next class we will discuss some numericals related to electric power and energy. Thank you.